Hello, here's Shondipan again. Today I will be speaking on the topic why SBI is recruiting apprentice. Okay, so I will elaborate this, and so at first only I am saying please watch this video at 2x speed because I will need time to make you understand the whole thing, whole scenario behind this. Let me just say what are the exams that SBI conducts. Number 1, SBI Junior Associate. Number 2, SBI Probationary Officer. Number 3, SBI Specialist Officers. And number 4, some special posts that are there with some experience related areas, that is specialized areas. So generally we give two exams, SBI Junior Associates and SBI Probationary Officer, that is SBI PO. Now there came another one which was SBI Apprentice. Now SBI Apprentice didn't fall under any of these two. So who are they? Who is an apprentice? What are the job roles of an apprentice? It is never not mentioned anywhere. It's not there. That person who is an apprentice doesn't have got a subjective job role. Okay, so why did they recruit it? Number one, there was something which many people didn't see, that there was in bold letters it was written that it is actually not a permanent job that is being given. Okay, number one. Number two, there was zone wise, district wise vacancies. Think of this. This never happens with junior associate, this never happens with probationary officers. Now to be very clear, people know that junior associates are taken at state level, and junior and SBI PO is taken at all India liability level. So they are officers, who will be playing the big games, and junior associate, they will be playing the medium scale to small games, and they will rise high up. Now let's come to some facts. So that you can actually understand about the whole scenario, why they are doing this. Let me show you something. Okay, so you see here I have actually written SBI Junior Associates, and over here I have also given the attrition rate. What is attrition? First of all, you have to understand what is attrition. Attrition means the number of people who are leaving the job. For junior associate, it's like around 10%, and it's not the it's actually approx figure. Okay, I'm also writing over here approx figure. It's approx figure, it depends. So approximately 10% people leave their job who are enrolling themselves. SBI apprentice, 90% have actually left this. Now definitely we know the reasons, everyone knows the reasons, everyone knows the reality of it. Okay, so I am not saying, I am actually saying what is the reason they are taking. SBI professional officer, 80%. Isn't this stunning? Huh? Well, such a great job, wonderful job. SBI PO, wow, what a salary, what a great chance of getting to the chairman post. 80%. Aren't you a bit shocked or surprised or as anything? No, you shouldn't be. Okay. Let me take the camera to the flip side. So, probationary officers, 80% of probationary officers leave their job. Why? Now I will speak something in Hindi. Okay. एक आदमी एक आदमी जो 12 घंटा दे रहा है एक जॉब के पीछे, जिसके पास इतना दिमाग है कि जो प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर की तरह एक एग्जाम को क्रैक कर पाए, वो क्यों 60,000 70,000 के पीछे भागेंगे? That person, if that person is actually doing that, then either number one, he needs stability in life, and number two, if that person is doing, then that person needs prestige and not power. Let's say it's not power, is not over here. a prestige and definitely the tagline of having a government job. So these are the things. वरना अगर कोई होता तो उस 60,000 रुपए के ज़रा उसको 6 lakhs भी कर सकता है किसी IIM पे, उस पे वहाँ पे पैसा देके. You will get loans very easily, definitely, and that loan will be working. That will give the proper yield. Yes, it will not be a government job, but I will also make a video on the stability part. Okay, I will give you a very interesting, the harsh reality of being stable as job. What is called stability? I will इसके पीछे मैं बनाऊंगा. So let's come to this part again. So 80% people are leaving the job. So what is happening? So only 20% is actually there. Now think of this 80%. From where will this come? From where will these officers come? We need lots of officers to run a bank. A bank is a very big institution. There will be associate, there will be officers. So there are lots of vacancy in the officer part. Think of this. And who is apprentice? Junior associate. Are they this? Are they officers? They are doing both of the jobs. They are doing both these jobs. Everything. They are doing everything. They are doing junior associate jobs. They are also doing the officer's jobs. Think of this. So, there are 3 years, I think. Nobody knew the concept behind this. People who are still in the apprentice, who are doing apprentice, you may not leave if you are doing really good. The main motive is marketing. Let's say marketing. I have actually not written this word. Marketing. Okay. Marketing is really important nowadays. For any kind of retail business, marketing is important. Why apprentice is taken? We need people who should have a permanent job. Now, apprentice is not actually a job, it's not permanent, but they are getting to know how a bank works, how those jobs works actually. So, what was the plan or what was the motive behind this? Apprentice who will be doing good, who will perform really well, who will be the star performer, stars, 5 star, who will be star performers. They will be given, they will not be PO. Okay, I am not saying they will become PO, but they will become an officer. They will be given the post of an officer, and also inside the same circle. Think of this, inside the same circle. There are many circles, but inter-circles transfer, have you actually heard about this inter-circle transfer? So people who are giving from any other circle think this, and then only you will feel the form. Okay, this is very important because बहुत लोगों को बाद में ट्रांसफ़र लिया जाता है. ओके, तो इसीलिए मैं आप लोगों को ये कहूँगा. So there is a dearth of officers. There is a need of officers. Associates, it's only about 10%. Who are this 10%? These guys or girls are those people who are actually going to central government jobs. Okay, there is rather better timing of GA, and they can actually prepare for bigger exams. Okay, and then they can go. But probationary officers, for them, this is what it is. This is actually the reality. It's really tough. It's a 12 hours game. It's actually, I can say, 365 into 24 into 7 job. So this is really tough game. Okay, this is the reality. But yes, it's not always like this. I am actually telling you on a bit harsh part. There are also good sides of it too. Okay, many people actually, but they don't consider this. Okay, they can actually leave the job after 10 years or 20 years, or 15 years, and then they can actually join another part. But there comes stability. Okay, so you see, this is what it is. This is actually the hierarchy. Actually, I have actually not I have actually given the hierarchy, but let's see who holds the post of this. Who holds the post of a network, who holds the post of module, region, and also the branch. Okay, this is actually what it is, how the hierarchy works. Okay, so this is actually headed by CGM. CGM. I will come. Okay, this is by GM, this is by the DGM, this is by RM, and this is by BM. Now this is how it works. Branches over, there are regions. Okay, I will not elaborate much on this. Okay, my main motive was to make you understand why apprentices are actually being taken, why are they being recruited. I know some branches didn't play the fair game with them. Many people didn't give them the due respect which they really wanted. They really they cracked the exam. You see, apprentice, though it's an apprentice, okay, but they have cracked a really big exam. The exam type is same as that of SBI junior associate. So they were actually being trained from the scratch. They were being trained from day one, and they were given everything. Every kind of trainings were being given. But after that, if they are given that harsh the harsh reality we know about them, so I really feel really sympathetic with them. um, I cannot be empathetic because I am not that person. Okay, many people have also actually written about their experiences about the apprentice. um, yes, I will not give my personal opinion on it, definitely. But yes, I am I'm really I really feel sorry for them. But as I said, that if many people are still there, people who really need loans, who have to give away the loans, okay, they are in a position where they actually want to be in the banking, then you should be there. But if you are not in the banking, if you don't want to be in this part, you have actually tasted the blood of banking, you want to be in any other positions, then you can actually go away. You can leave the job, and you can try for other exams. Try for something else. The age factor, as I already mentioned in the earlier video, see the earlier video, and then after this come to this video, see the hierarchy posts also. Okay, let me actually give you the hierarchy. What are uh, the full form of this? Okay, let's give you. Okay, see the two videos, SBI posts hierarchy, and after that also the second one, that SBI apprentice and all those kinds different. Actually I made the video. Okay, BM, as I said, this is scale 1, scale 2, scale 3, scale 4. Okay, also scale, actually scale 5 is not there. Scale 4, there are different scales, and these scales are actually scale 1 manager is there. Okay, scale 2 manager, 3 manager, 4, these are officers. All officers are actually, like, all managers are actually all officers. Okay, RM, this is actually scale 5. Okay, scale 5, this is actually scale 6, scale 7, scale 8. Now definitely after that, as I said, actually, now there are different verticals too. So this is actually chief general manager. I will not write general manager, then comes under that deputy general manager, then comes RM, or this is regional manager. Okay, there is a name for this scale 4. Actually this is CM means not chief minister, it's chief manager. Okay, chief manager. And scale 1, 2, 3, for them also there are actually scale 3 is actually, let's see. Okay, scale 3, let me write. Okay, then actually you will understand. Scale 3, scale 2, scale 2, and scale 1. Okay, now let me say that people who become PO directly, they become, after 2 years they become actually this one, scale 1 officer. This is not this kind of thing you will not be getting when you will be associate. Okay. So this is actually assistant manager. Many people know this assistant manager. This is that assistant manager. This is deputy manager. This is deputy manager, scale 2, deputy manager. And then over here comes manager. This is manager. The post of the name of the, actually this grade is actually, this is scale 3 is actually manager. Okay, then this is actually chief manager. Then this BM is actually in branch level. Okay, so many branches. Okay, so under that comes a region. Okay, so many regions, become a module. Okay, many modules become a network, many networks become a circle, and after that these circles are actually there all across the India. So I have actually made a detailed video of all the things. I have actually given you an idea of the apprentice, why these people are actually taken. This video is a bit bigger. Okay, so you should see this and you should actually understand. Yes, you cannot be assured whether you will be kept or not, because this is actually like a contract. If they see there is loss, they will check you out. If they see that yes, you are a valuable asset for SBI, they will keep you. So who are the valuable assets? People who will be into bank assurance. As I said, bank assurance, if you don't know about bank assurance, you can Google it. If you don't know, I will also make you understand what is bank assurance. So I will make another video on it also. Okay, so you can comment down below anything what you feel about it, and anything if you want to ask. This is a very important video for you. Signing off. Bye bye.